Hi, are you forensic science graduate? Then this video will help you. This is about fact and fact plus, which means forensic aptitude and caliber test now conducting in 2026 year. And before fact and fact plus exams are conducted in 2018, then in 2020, then in 2024, and now fourth time they are conducting 2026. So fact and fact plus both are exams, especially for the forensic graduates, and also the pure science students also eligible. So especially for the forensic science graduates is postgraduates. So forensic science postgraduates, these two fact and fact plus are actually screening tests. Screening tests, all India screening tests. They are used as qualifying criteria for the recruitment in the forensic laboratories. So forensic laboratories including central forensic labs, state forensic labs, regional forensic labs. So the eligibility for the fact and fact plus are pure science and forensic science students who finished or pursuing master's degree, either MSc or any other postgraduate degree pursuing or finished, they are eligible for the fact exam. Then those postgraduates are pursuing post-graduation, if they are already qualified any NET exam, GATE exam or GPAT exam, then they are also eligible for the fact plus. So for example, the NET qualified forensic student, he can or she can able to write both exams, fact and fact plus, because she is eligible based on the MSc for the fact exam, and based on the NET qualification she is also eligible to write the fact plus. So one can write both exams, but there is different specialized subjects in the fact and fact plus, so you have to choose particular one subject for writing both fact and fact plus. Then if you are not qualified any NET GATE, then you can able to write only fact exam. So these fact and fact plus are all India tests, especially to test the forensic knowledge, especially for the forensic knowledge to recruit in the forensic laboratories. So here this fact and fact plus are conducting by the NFSU, National Forensic Science University, New Delhi, NFSU New Delhi. And fact and fact plus, the exam structure is having two sections, section A and section B. Section A is common for all the subjects, all the specialized subjects. Section B is separate for individual subjects. So what are the list of subjects? Forensic, there is 7 specialized subjects in the fact and fact plus exam. Then you can opt for any one exam. So in the section B, the questions are coming from the specialized subject. In the section A, which is about general aptitude and forensic aptitude, forensic and general aptitude questions will come in the section A, and subject specific questions are coming in the section B. So 7 specialized subjects are: first one forensic ballistics, forensic ballistics and physical sciences; second one document examination; third one chemical sciences; fourth one digital forensics; fifth one psychology, forensic psychology; sixth one forensic biological sciences; seventh one crime scene management. So ballistics and physics, documents, chemistry, digital forensics, psychology, biology, crime scene management. These are the 7 subjects. So you can choose any one subject for the fact exam or for the fact plus. If you wish to write both based on the eligibility criteria, both fact and fact plus, then you have to choose only one subject. Like in forensic biology, you can write fact exam and fact plus exam, not like fact in ballistics and fact plus in biology, both in the same subject. If you are pursuing master's degree also, you are eligible to write the fact exam. And yes, they mentioned it here, a candidate has to attempt at any one of these 7 specialized forensic subjects. Then the exam is multiple choice based only, options, question and options, and there is no any negative marking. The structure of the paper is section A and section B. Section A is having 50 questions and section B is having 70 questions. So section A 50 questions are from the aptitude, general aptitude and forensic aptitude, and section B 70 questions are subject specific questions. Both are multiple choice questions and there is no any negative marking. And the qualifying criteria for this fact exam. So from the section A, out of the 50 marks, you have to get 50% marks, which is minimum 25 marks. Then from the section B also, out of 70 questions, 50% questions, which means 35 questions you have to get correct. 35 questions you have to get correct in the section B. So 50% minimum, and overall from the both sections, section A plus section B, you have to get at least 60% to get qualified in the fact or fact plus exam. I'll explain in detail in the next pages. So coming to the eligibility criteria again for the fact and fact plus. So those who are studying masters, especially forensic science student, other students, so other like pure science students also eligible, but I am focusing on the forensic. So if you did MSc forensic science, then you are eligible for all the subjects to write the exam, but you have to check the degree, graduate level subject. So I am mainly saying, I'm mainly reading or saying or explaining about that graduate level subject, because as you are checking for the fact brochure, then you are must having forensic science subject in the masters. So for the ballistics and physics, you have to study physics or mathematics, either physics or maths in your degree level. Then for documents also, physics or chemistry in the degree level. Then for digital forensic, not applicable, masters in digital forensics or masters in digital forensic or forensic science with specialization in cyber or digital forensic. Then for forensic chemical sciences, MSc forensic and chemistry in the graduation. Then forensic psychology, forensic masters forensic, and also forensic psychology or forensic criminology in the graduation level. So I am repeating again, for ballistics and physics in degree you have to study physics or mathematics. Then for the documents also, physics or chemistry in degree level. For digital forensic, there is no subject in degree, no specific subject in degree. In masters only digital forensic. And for forensic chemistry in the degree. And forensic psychology or criminology in the degree level. Then for the biological sciences, botany or zoology or biology in the graduation. Forensic science in masters, and in the graduation either botany, zoology or biology. And for the crime scene management, this is one drawback for the all forensic science students, because all the forensic master forensic students, they are interested in the crime scene management subject. So the eligibility, you should have either BSc forensic or MSc forensic or both MSc BSc forensic. But in the graduation level, you should have either physics or mathematics. You should have. So only few students may have that physics or maths in the graduation level. Those are eligible for this crime scene management subject. So these are the 6-7 subjects and their eligibility. So the same eligibility is applicable for the fact plus, but along with that they should have either GATE, UGC NET, CSIR NET or GPAT exam. If they qualified that GATE, NET, GPAT, then they are eligible for the fact plus. And fact and fact plus both exams are on the same day, which is May 30 May 2026. In the morning section it is fact exam, and in the afternoon section it is fact plus. So morning timings are 10:30 to 12:30 pm. Then fact plus, it is in the afternoon 2:30 to 4:30 pm. So exam is 2 hours. 10:30 means 10:30 to 11:30, 12:30, 2 hours. Fact exam and fact plus both are 2 hours, but in the morning fact exam, in the afternoon fact plus. So section 1 questions are coming from the forensic aptitude and general aptitude, 50 marks, 50 questions. Then in the section B, from the different subject, like whatever the subject you choose. If you choose biological sciences, then questions come from only biological sciences, which is 70 marks. So total 120 marks. Section 1, section A 50 marks, section B 70 marks, total 120 marks. So as I said, there is no any negative marking, and to qualify this fact exam in individual section, you should get 50% marks. From the section 1 out of 50 you should get 25 marks, and from the section 2 out of 70 you should get 35, minimum 35 marks, and overall 50%. Overall 60%, individually 50% and overall out of 120 you should get 60% marks. You should get 60% marks. So yes, so for the section A and section B both together you should get at least 60% marks. Minimum 60% marks are the qualifying marks irrespective of the category, community category. So out of 120 you should get 72 marks. Out of 120 in individual section it is 50% and overall you should get 72 marks to get qualify. Then registration, there is Google form in the NFSU website. Simply Google form, just to fill your details either for fact exam or fact plus exam. Then pay the fee. That for all the male it is 1500 and for all the female it is 750. Oh no, for the general male it is 1500. For the general male only 1500, and all other male and female everyone it is 750 rupees for the fact exam or fact plus. Then this is about the brochure. This is about the brochure and mainly about examination centers. Examination centers, there is only 8 centers are there. You have to choose either from this, which are Agartala, Bhopal, Chennai, Delhi, Gandhinagar, Guwahati, Mumbai and Nagpur. These are the 8 centers. You have to select from them, and that's it. So the important things in this brochure are fact and fact plus exams. They are conducting by NFSU New Delhi, which is 2026 year exam, and you can also get the previous question papers of fact exam in my Telegram channel. If you have interested to prepare and check, then you can go to the Telegram channel, which is NOBEL Forensics. Then exam date of the exam is May 30, and there is also syllabus. I just go in brief about the syllabus in next videos, and also if there is time I'll explain in detail about individual subject syllabus of fact and fact plus. That's it. And if you have any other doubts related to fact and fact plus, then you can put your questions in the comment section. So I have studied fact question papers twice, 2 times. In 2018 I attempted forensic biology fact. 2018 I qualified, and then I also qualified NET. So I attempted next time 2022 fact time I attempted fact plus in forensic biological sciences and I qualified. So I qualified two times, fact 2018 and fact 2022, fact plus 2022, both in biological sciences. And in 2024 there is no biological sciences. That is why I have not attempted, because I already qualified biological sciences and I qualified NET also. And this time there is biological sciences again in the updated brochure and syllabus. So I will apply for the biological sciences this time again, because that fact exam certificate, it is having this many years of validity. For 2018 fact there is 5 years of validity, and for 2022 fact plus also there is 5 years of validity. Means that certificate we can use for the 5 years. Means to recruit into any forensic laboratories we should use that fact certificate up to 5 years only. That is why I am attempting again. So I hope you liked this explanation. That's it.